Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you and yours are doing fine. So today we're going to talk about loops and sampling. The question is it okay to use loop and sample for your beat making? So I decided to sort out other people's opinion about using loops and sample. Some said no and some said yes, it is okay to use loops and sample. So I decided to ask people who said no, using loops and sample is not good. And here's what they got to say. Number one, some said using loop and sample produce group of lazy producers. And number two, it robbed people or producers of understanding the basics of music, taking time to learn keyboard one after the other, key after key, and it robbed you that opportunity of learning. So number three, another person says after putting all the loops and samples together, all the credit should go to the people who have the original loop or who create the original loops and sample, and not you who use them. So on the other hand, here's the opinion of people who said yes, using loops and sample is very good. And this is what they got to say. Using loops and sample saves you tons of time. Save you time and energy. Number two, almost 55% of the hit songs in this 21st century are made from loops and sampling. Why not follow the trend? Number three, using loops and sampling gives you an opportunity to collaborate with other producers by using their feel to put together with your own feel. So it gives you the feel of collaborating with other producers. Yeah. So you asked for my opinion, and I'm going to tell you my opinion. Is using loops and sampling good? Yes. Using loops and sample is very good. It takes genius mind and a creative mind to build on something that's already there. But the key is moderation. My best advice to any new producer out there using loops and sample: remember moderation and take your time to learn keyboard or chord formation to understand exactly what you're doing, except if you don't want to advance in music. So talking about free Afrobeat loops and sample, go to the description down below, download as much as you can, download loops and sample for your beat and make something juicy out of it. So until I come your way again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon to notify you whenever I make a new upload. Until I come your way again, bye for now.